Hi, good morning, and welcome, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Let me just shift this phone. It's like I'm gonna try and put it like this because I'm not using whatever I need to use to make these videos. Um, what did I wanted? I wanted to say something, but I totally forgot now. Okay, let me just jump to. Ah, I hope you guys had a very great Christmas. And yeah, my hair was falling out, is still falling out. So it's like breaking. I just decided to cut it. What I wanted to say was I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas yesterday, and wishing you guys a Happy New Year. And I just wanted to share with you guys my um Christmas present. I'm so happy. My grandfather used to play all of the violins, all of the instruments. He came from French Harangi to South Africa because that time they like chopped off the heads of the French Harangi, so some of them went away. Um, but he was a very clever man. He could have played any instrument, and he also spoke. By that time, it was sign language wasn't a language yet, so he spoke all 12 languages fluently. 11, I mean 11. So he was very intelligent man. Sometimes I wish I had his brains. Yeah, but yeah. So I have started. I've always had love for music and instruments and all of those type of things. And I got my first instrument, and it's a guitar. So I'm gonna try to do like my grandfather. I'm gonna try and learn languages, which I started noticing I'm actually good at. Because you never know what you're good at if you don't try. Never try, never fail. Well, in my case, I like to try and I like to fail. And if I fail, that just means that I will go on. I will succeed. Even if it takes me years, I will succeed. That's just how I am. I have to succeed. Yeah. So if I fail, it it drives me to go on and keep on trying my best to succeed. It gives me a reason to stand up in the morning, because I'm driven to do it. Because I always tell myself there's nothing in this world that another human being can do that I cannot do. Anything that any other human on planet Earth can do, I can also do. If I have the tools that they have, I don't even need the tools. I'll make my own. I create my own, even if it takes me twice as long. But I will succeed. And I always do. Because I was taught from a very young age that you can do anything you set your mind to. And that's true. And just like my real father can speak mine language because he is a very intelligent person as well. He's an addict, but he's a 5 seal in 1 main worker. If it's not for him, then the whole Johannesburg will be underwater. So my father, my real father, is actually a very intelligent guy. He doesn't like to speak a lot, but when he has a few drinks, he's a wonderful person. He's a wonderful person. I just think that when he's sober, he has too much trauma going on in his head that he dwells in that trauma in the past, and that he can't actually enjoy himself until he gets drunk. But anyway, yeah, he can also speak Fanagalo. Fanagalo is a mine language which you speak a little bit of everything, all of the languages. Now that's Fanagalo. Now I can speak a little bit of Zulu, a little bit of Tswana, because I had 2 of my ex-boyfriends. No, don't worry, they weren't black, because some of you people will discriminate against me and say, yeah, she's dating a black guy. Blah, blah. No, I'm not. They were white, but they did. The one spoke Tswana. He passed away. The moment he got sober, 2 months later, he's dead. Because we as addicts, we cannot live a normal life. If we try, we die. And you, who are living a normal life, cannot live like us. Because if you try, you'll OD. Because your system is so weak that if I give you 5 mils, you will die. Never mind that. Don't even try it. Don't even think about it. Because otherwise I'll climb through this phone and I'll pull you over my lap and I'll spank you and I'll tie you to the couch and I'll tell you and make you watch me suffer every day of my life, and then I will give you the choice to do as you please. And if you still choose it, then you're gonna have to accept that you're gonna suffer like me and the way that I'm suffering. But skip that part. Let me show you. Ta-da! Oh, my goodness. My goodness. Yeah, my goodness. How are you today? Fine, madam, and you? Ah, I'm wonderful, goodness. You look so beautiful today. Ah, thank you, ma'am. Oh, but where's the beads in your hair? I don't see any beads. Madam, the one broke, the other one got lost, and for delay, the others are finished. Nah? So, I'm currently learning myself. Because the best knowledge you get is when you teach yourself. So I'm teaching myself languages, and I'm going to teach myself how to play instruments because it is in the bloodline, and I have to make my forefathers proud. Look at this beautiful thing. And for my first instrument, I chose a guitar. I wanna be a rock star. Don't mind the way I look. I'm currently having PMS, so yeah. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. I'm just gonna ask them like if they can move this to that side because I will be playing. like this. See. Because I'm left and I'm right, I can always try. Well, I'll put it on both sides. The stroker. It sounds so beautiful. Yeah, well, guys, here we go.